So in yesterday's video only we were talking that the markets may stabilize, and today market showed its true colors, right? Just to give you an perspective, Bank Nifty, it took 3 days for Bank Nifty to go from 35,000 to 36,000, and it just took 20 minutes to bring it back to 35,000. That was a brutality, synchronized selling by FIIs. I don't know how these people are acting. Maybe they will have a meeting every morning that we are going to sell between 1, 2 and 3 o'clock. I don't know how these people are, I don't know what words to put. And seriously saying, something is seriously wrong. Otherwise markets will not react like this and all. It just every race is being sold into, and we don't know tomorrow what is going to happen. As I talk to you, GDP data is out, and it's around they are saying it has expanded to around 4.7%, and fiscal deficit is down to 6.17. So target was 6.7. So less than anticipated fiscal deficit. They are saying whether the market is going to take it in a positive note or negative note, we really don't know. That we have to wait and see tomorrow morning only. And as I told you, I don't know how to talk or how to tell about this FIIs. Today they have sold for just one day. Yesterday they have bought for around 506 crores. And again they started selling for 1,356.56 crores, and in spite of DIIs buying for around 1,845 crores. Now, all these days I was trading, I am a positional trader, I am an option seller, and all these days I was kind of trading. Even though we were not making money, we are cost to cost. I had the confidence that the market will return to normal condition. Now slowly I am losing that confidence, right? Because we really don't know what is happening. Yesterday I was long in the market. Today it is gapping down around 50 points. That is okay, manageable. Then it is going up again. It is coming, taking a U-turn, falling 300 points. I don't know how to like this kind of move I have not seen. So you imagine what we can do, and nearing expiry, if these kind of moves come and there is a big gap down tomorrow, we will have to suffer a lot. So that's why we squared off all the position. And even SGX, this US markets are deeply in the green. Actually, US market, when our markets were closing, it was down by 350 points, but it is down now by 226 points. So anyway, GDP data and looking at this US markets, I think markets are likely to gap down tomorrow. And I don't think market is going to go on the upside and all. Already Brent crude has touched $123. That is one of the highest in recent times. Even though Indian government has reduced fuel prices by 7 rupees for diesel and 9 rupees for petrol, slowly without knowing, they will increase everything. So that is what is going to happen, because this revenue taxes, cess and other taxes from petroleum product is one of the main revenue for Indian government, and I don't think they are going to keep on reducing when the crude oil prices are going. And even US dollar is, I think today $77. It's gone up, it's going down. So depreciating, Indian rupee is depreciating. That is also a concern. So looking at all these things, I don't think market is going to go up. And yesterday only I told, right? First, when I started yesterday's video, I told this 16,800 or 17,000 level might act as a resistance, or some people are saying that this is a trap, and it has proved it. Today it has proved it that it is a trap. And markets, even when Corona issue 2020, markets were not so volatile. Volatile in the sense it was moving one side. See, one side movement you can manage, right? 2-way, 3-way move in one day, gap up, then coming down, gap down, then going up is a serious problem. I think we will have to change the strategies going forward. And seriously telling, something is wrong in the market, and I don't know how to explain. Otherwise, markets will not act like this. This is our abnormal movements. Whatever is happening in the market is abnormal. This is not normal, right? And I don't think market is going to stabilize anytime soon. Maybe I am wrong. But what are the news? There is no positive news at all. Like, you have to have a really positive news for markets to go on the upside. We are already, see, even US markets are beaten down hardly, and today also it is going to be beaten up. And people are talking about recession, and many other things are happening around. Everyone have a different perspective about stock markets. So let's see. I don't have any positional trades. I have squared off all these trades. Day before yesterday, call writers were screwed. Today, put writers are screwed. You see the open interest. So today morning, I was checking the open interest, and there were huge number of put writing. Now you see, every put writers, all put writers who were in the market squared off the position and went home, I think. And same scenario, 2 days back, I saw a huge number of call writers, and market jumped above 16,500, 16,000. I was managing my positions from 15,800 to 16,600. This move which happened in last 10-15 minutes of today's trading session kind of shook my confidence, right? Anyway, let us see. No point in talking blah blah blah. I hope, I don't think markets are going to stabilize going forward. This is going to be the new normal. Either you have to change your strategy, or you will have to quit the market. See, we cannot quit the market. I don't know anything else other than selling options. So we will see, we will work out what we can do. Last 4 or 5 months, it's been very highly terrible, kind of annoying or stressful. That's what I can say. No peaceful sleep. You see, every time even if I wake up midnight, I'm seeing the SGX Nifty only. So that is the kind of volatility is happening in the market. And HDFC Bank alone was dragging the Bank Nifty today. If you see Bank Nifty, high was around 36,000, low is around 35,300 or 200. So in between it has moved more than 1,000 points. And I say HDFC Bank alone is down by 3.53%. You know, that is HDFC Bank was he's a heavyweight in Bank Nifty. But Nifty was not falling, but it also started falling after a few days. Anyway, Nifty respected yesterday's close, yesterday's open and today's open. But Bank Nifty never respected yesterday's open or day before yesterday's open or yesterday's open. And if you see this chart, so you can see here that the gap which was formed in Nifty, let me take this to 2 minutes chart, daily chart, So if you see here, this 16,700, so this gap which was formed on 2nd of May is acting as a good resistance. So 2 days of Nifty trying to go above 16,700, and it couldn't go above 16,700. And Nifty, Bank Nifty also is, I wouldn't say same. Bank Nifty is actually acting differently. Actually, this gap is now this Bank Nifty has taken this gap which was formed on 4th of May, but this gap is acting as a support for Bank Nifty. At the same time, for Nifty, it is acting as a resistance. We'll have to wait and see how things pan out. As of now, I would say stay cautious. Anything can go wrong. Better to avoid being in the market. Instead of fighting with these people, with the market participants, better to take some rest. At least we will have some mental peace, right? That's it, nothing much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.